Glad to see you all here. Glad to see all your rigs more than you, to be honest. Let's be honest. You're not as cool as your rig.
Who's first Northwest Nomads is this?
All right. You guys are beautiful. I'm Leroy. Let's have a great weekend.
I see the crystal raindrops fall on my window down the hall, and it becomes the morning dew. But darling, when the morning comes and I see the morning sun, I wanna be the one with you. Just the two of us. We can make it if we try. Just the two of us. Just the two of us.
Cheers to Northwest Nomads 2022, everybody!
Hey, I'm Shami with Nomadic Bodyworks. I create mobile massage journeys and healing sanctuaries wherever I go, preferably in the forest and in beautiful gatherings such as this today. Northwest Nomads is my first van gathering. It felt very warming to be around such beautiful people, and I think that being here helped me push through some boundaries that I was struggling to push through on my own. And so given the opportunity to teach the Zen sessions in the morning was really special for my growth. I was really happy to be able to grow and share in that realm. So Northwest Nomads has been friggin' awesome, to say the least.
It's a red wire, it's a black wire. It's a positive, it's a negative. Or from your solar panels, you have two wires coming out. You go into a fuse on the positive side, into a charge controller. Out of the charge controller, you'll have another fuse on the positive side going to a battery bank. That is the simplest way to break down a solar system.
The Best Light Kitchen. Woo! Features 107 recipes from 15 different cuisines, all of which are developed for a tiny kitchen, 2-burner stove, whole thing made in that little green bus over there.
My name is Jonna.
I'm Dan.
We are the owners of Viking Braggot Company.
We got our trusty Battle Cat, our beer van.
It's just been so amazing. Getting in here and starting to pour the first few beers and talk with people and meet people, you just get this like sense of calmness and good intentions, and it's just had so much heart and has clearly been put together with a lot of love in a tight-knit community that really just values coming together.
So awesome just to kind of be a fly on the wall for this amazing community and just kind of, be able to see, how they live, and just it's so inspiring. So we're really thankful to be here.
Yeah, and like the Battle Cat found its family that it didn't even know was out there.
Water's good, we're kicking back like you know we should.
We got hot dogs over here, get them for free.
Her fingers like ice soothe my furrowed scalp, like lemonade on a fresh squeezed summer day.
I'm Hannah.
I'm a Nomad, and this is Ghost Pirate Dog.
I've been really impressed with the workshops and the music every night, and the Makers Market has been really cool. I think they've just done a really wonderful job. It's really welcoming and approachable.
Yeah, I think that to add to that, I think it's really great how Jordan and Ashley had this strategy to introduce nomads that are well-rounded to the new community, the ones that are just discovering these events. It's almost like a generational gap is coming together. You got nomads and you got pro-mads put together, and yeah, so you get there's a lot of sharing of information and learning and growing together in just, 4 days?
My name is Dennis Feach, and I run Roost Vans. Jordan invited me up here with my family, and so we've been showing our rig, which is the Roost Vans Spaceball 1. Biggest thing I've enjoyed about being a vendor here, I do a lot of trade shows, and I brought my family to this one for the first time. And I've really enjoyed just the family environment. You know, we do a lot of hard work as business owners, and mixing a little bit of business and pleasure is great because I can spend some time with my family here, and I can still get a little bit of work done too and spread the word. A lot of great music, the best of any of the venues I've been at with a lot of the trade shows that I've done for Roost Vans as a company. And the feel's been just really relaxed. I mean, trade shows can be just exhausting, and taking a break from all that and still spreading the word of what we do at an event like this is just really a great change of pace.
You all make videos of this afterwards, and you put all the attractive people in, and I never make it. I'm uncontentable. That's mean. You're like, I got all these cool things here, but this dude, too ugly.
Try to leave. You just don't miss insanity.
Hi, I'm Stefan, and this is Marti. We're from Marti. That's our band.
I thought it was amazing. I really like the community and the organization, how everything's flowing. It's just been really cool and a great experience.
Yeah, I liked how everybody was connect with everyone. That was a really cool thing. I felt like I was able to be personal with every single person, and that was really very sweet.
I didn't have a trial run at all. I just got this van and hit the road. I was kind of discouraged at first because Instagram makes it look like these people have these beautiful Mercedes, and this is not that. And it's not built out all brand new like a tiny home, but I've made it special to myself. And really what I would say is there's never a perfect time to hit the road. There's never a perfect time, and nothing's gonna fall into place just perfectly. You're gonna have to fight against the current to hit the road, and you just have to do it.
My name is Camila Neelitz.
And I'm Jonathan Lee. It's both our first time at this gathering.
It's a beautiful community that's very welcoming, very safe, very encouraging, very generous.
And really glad to have made it and meet some of the folks behind it and are part of the community.
Yeah, the intimacy makes it really special. Not too big.
Yeah, it just feels like
the Goldilocks Festival.
Yeah, it feels like a big interlocking living rooms. Everyone's camping and enjoying the outdoors together. There's a lot of overlap of interest, so it's really easy to strike up conversation.
My name is Matt Alexander, also known as Captain Good Vibes, and this is my co-captain Stella Alexander. So this was my first year of Northwest Nomads, and the vibe I got was that this is a Sunday festival all weekend long, and that energy was perfect for the last event of the season. It was really nice to have everyone come together in a very chill, relaxed environment to hang out a little bit more, have some intimate connections before we wander to all the crazy places we do in the fall.